Hello YouTube. Today is going to be an interesting video. In my previous video where I went over the awesome computer score that I managed to just be in the right place at the right time for, you didn't get a chance to see everything. Just to give you an idea, with the equipment when it would have been bought new on top of the RAM upgrades in these units, we're talking like $20,000 worth of, at least of computer equipment. That's worth, next to nothing now. But the RAM upgrade, especially in this DTK 386 that I'll go over in another video, is maxed, and it's just stupid expensive. Anyway, today's video, we have this mat on the ground. Because there's one computer that you didn't get to see. That computer has been sitting outside of my apartment for some reasons that you can kind of probably start to see. This one didn't fare too well. It got absolutely destroyed by mice. It is absolutely crusty, nasty mouse piss everywhere. But I took it anyway in the hopes that I'd at least be able to salvage some components out of it. And well, rubber glove time. Let's get it set up. I think I might have said this was a Sun Microsystems, but this is actually an NEC. This is a PowerMate, another 386 computer, which I believe is 33 megahertz is what that 33 indicates. Down here we have the miscellaneous. Let's see if we can get her up like that. Lock, unlock, keyboard, mouse. No turbo button though. Anyway, this thing's disgusting. Let's it's noticeably all plastic too. When all the other ones over there, excuse me, where'd that come from? Are all metal cases. So let's crack into it. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I don't think we're gonna get anything out of this. The only thing it might be able to salvage is the hard drive. But they done fucked it up. Oh. 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 Anything moving in here? Uh-oh, the cat smells the cat piss, or the mouse piss. Oh, man. How's the RAM? Can we salvage the RAM? Ooh, not that stick. Definitely not that stick. What about this stick? Any luck here? Or did you fuck that up too? Oh yeah, she's toast. Get the fucking contacts done. What about this expansion board? Can we save that? Nope. Losing the bits. Oh yeah, what do you think of that, Fred? Does that smell good? Meow meow? Yeah. Accidentally hit a button there. Ah, They fucked up the contacts on the end. The rest looked good. We might be able to clean that up with some Coke and some vinegar. I'll try. That off to the side. Alright, let's see. Ugh. I mean, this is definitely the central location that they decided to choose for the shitting. I mean, you can see you got the pissing on the perimeter. So you have perimeter piss with the shit fucking spectacular in the middle. Ugh. Fuck. Is there anything on here that can be saved? Oh, it's just so fucking caked. Ugh. Ugh. Alright, hard drive. Give me something good. Give me some good news here. That's not what I wanted to happen. Alright, give me a second. Alright, it actually looks like we're going to be able to salvage something here. NEC, 762 cylinders, 8 heads, 39 sectors, 120 megabytes. Damn! This thing is actually in good condition. So, we got something out of it. I think that's gonna be it. Ugh, what do you got down there? I gotta get this thing fucking in the garbage, like, right now. This is unreal. Alright. Putting all this stuff in the garbage, cleaning it all up. And then we're either going to do the IBM PC or the NEC video. I think we're going to do the IBM PC. Stay tuned. Take care, guys. See you soon.